Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make an academia Lightroom preset that will enhance your photos, especially those that have a little bit of a vintage touch. So if you want to know how to make this preset, please follow these steps. So we come up to the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. And if you want another video about whatever preset that you want to make, just leave a comment and we will be glad to make it.